In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle bounced emails in Lemlist. First, log into your Lemlist account and go to your dashboard. Then open the campaign where you want to review email performance. Once you're inside the campaign, head over to Campaign Statistics section. Look for the bounces or bounced emails and click it to see which emails were not successfully delivered. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of bounced emails. Click on a bounced email to view more details. Lemlist usually categorizes bounces as either hard bounces or soft bounces. Hard bounces typically mean the email address is invalid, while soft bounces may be temporary issues like a full inbox or server problem. For hard bounces, it's best to remove those contacts from your list to protect your sender reputation. For soft bounces, you can consider retrying or monitoring them over time. You can also clean your email list regularly and use verification tools before launching campaigns to reduce bounce rates. And that's it, quick and simple. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.